Hey guys, it's Friday, so today is going to be our little drawing challenge. We're going to be doing Lightning McQueen. If you have a ruler, you might want to get one just for the first couple steps. If you don't, just try and find something that has a long straight edge. I'm pretty psyched today because I got some new markers. So, get to test those out today. All right. Gonna give it about one more minute, let people jump on, and then we're gonna get to work. So last night, if any of you guys know, I paint rocks. So I was working on this one last night. This is going to be from where the wild things are. It's right that way. So just something fun and different to do. All right, we're going to get started. So we're going to make a big box. All right. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right. Now we're going to take that box and we're going to cut it in half. So about 4 1/4. This will test out your ruler skills. And then that middle line, come just down past it. All right. Just a little past that line. Because then we're going to make another line. This will give our Lightning McQueen a little dimension. All right. It should be like that. Oh, we lost the camera. Sorry. Sorry about that. I just want to bring that up so you can see. See? Just like that. All right. So now on top, we're going to make a looks like a little, split this box in half, make a little diagonal line. Gonna make basically a flat pyramid. All right. Just like that. Over and down. Like this, and then flat on top. All right. And then back here, in this little space, just above it, I'm just gonna make a little box like that. Right. And then You're just going to connect that a little bit. Now we might need to bring this line in a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to put in his tires. So back here, I'm just going to make a real thin oval. All right. And then up front here, put another circle. Go a little wider, but don't make it perfectly round. All right. All right. And then over here, I'm just going to put a little partial circle right there. All right. And that's going to be his tire back on the other side there. All right. Now, I'm going to shape the body. So we're going to come back here underneath this line for where that box is. Come in. Come down. Bring it in. And then here, you're going to go over that narrow oval that you did. Come across. All right. This is the bottom of your car here. Bring that all the way up to the tire. Then come up. Fix that real quick. There we go. Right. I think we're done with the ruler. We can get rid of that for now. So now we're going to shape the front. You're going to follow that diagonal line that you drew here. Come up all the way up to here. I'm going to curve it up a little bit. Curve it. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and take out some of those lines. Normally I would wait to the end to take out a lot of the lines, but there's a lot of things going on in this one, so we're just going to go ahead and erase some of the extra lines. We don't need a lot of them anymore. All right. I'm going to do the top. Let's start from this side. Okay. I'm going to come across on the top. And you're actually going to curve it right there. Okay. All right. I'm going to bring another line across the bottom of there. Come just below that line. All right. And then connect it here. And it's got a window in the back. So we'll put that in. All right. And again, we're just going to take out some of those lines while we're going through, so that way we don't get confused. All right. So now we're going to finish off the tires a little bit. I'm going to put a line right under here. All right. Just like that. Curve line. Now this one, same thing. I'm going to bring it out and just curve it up. There we go. I bought some different paper. It's the same size as what I normally use. Just a different texture. The other paper I used was Bristol board, and this is not Bristol board. This is more specifically just sketch paper. So that way I don't use up all my Bristol board. This is nicer to draw with anyway. I think you can see the lines better. Bristol board is a little shiny, so you don't see it as well. All right. I'm going to put his wing on the back. Just going to fix that line a little bit. So in that block that you drew, now we're going to go ahead and add some shape to it. You're just basically going to put like an egg shape, almost an egg shape in there. Come down. All right. There we go. Now we're gonna. I just want to fix this real quick. There. Now we're gonna go ahead and put his mouth in. Let's start about here. Don't go to that center line. Stop before it, all right? We'll put the bottom one in. Now he has kind of a sideways crooked smile. Make it a little shallower, like a little more narrow on this end than on this end. All right. Now I'm going to put those. Remember, a few drawings ago, I taught you about those little smile lines. Well, I'm going to put those in. She's always smiling. Right there. Now I'm just going to put, like, this is where his, if a car had lips, that's where it would be, right there. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and put his eyes in. So you're going to start about halfway, a little just below halfway on the right side. All right. Curve it up a little bit. I'm going to go just past that center line. Come up. And bring it over. Actually, I can probably come up a little bit more. There. That's better. I'll put his pupils in. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a couple small details in, because you know that he has numbers on them. Right. There's wheels. That's it. Just do an inside circle, and basically it's just little triangles on the inside, and then that center circle. On the back one, you really don't even see them. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and put his hood line. Start about there. Get over. There. Right. It's got some headlights. Fix this real quick. And those you can put right here. It's going to go right there. Just two little lines. And we'll go ahead. That's it. Let's give him some teeth for his smile. Right. Bottom. Now down here he's got some pipes. He's gonna put two little circles here. And now, if you really wanted the challenge, you do this. This is his number on the side. And because he's turned, you don't really see those numbers that well. You just kind of see them a little sideways. It's like his lightning bolt. And he's got his little gas tank there. That is my Lightning McQueen. So now, if you want, you can go back and throw some pen on it. So you'll have to break out some red, some yellow, some orange, blue markers or crayons or pencils, pens, whatever it is that you're using. How we doing, guys? We good? Keeping up? See, and again, like I tell you, the inking will take away any mistakes you have.
Or that could just be zombie armor.
There we go. Now he's looking a little bit more like lightning. There we go. Now we can go through and take away all the rest of the lines, pencil marks. All right. We'll start with the tires. Like I said, I'm excited to use my new markers. And I'm just going to leave a little bit of white just around that circle, just so you can see the difference between the tire, the front and the inside of the tire there. Right. That's over here. Now the same thing here. You want to just try and leave a little white line there. So like I said, these are new markers, so I'm almost not sure. I mean, obviously, you know, red is red, blue is blue, but a lot of times, like this set has 8 different blues, 5 different reds, so I have to experiment a little bit just to know which one is going to work best. Now, let's see. All right. All right. That's a pretty nice red. It actually looks really dark on the camera, but it's not quite that dark. I'm leaving that little space there on his hood because I know that he has a little Rust-eze logo written on there. So far, these markers are doing pretty good. Yeah, I like them. The only thing about these markers that I don't like is, I'll show you. So this, see the tip on that? That's called a chisel tip. Right? And that's a nib. The ones that I like are the ones that are about that long. It's more of it's a brush tip. So it's almost like painting with a marker instead of coloring. See? Test. There we go. Some orange. I did notice one thing. There you go. Lightning McQueen. So now you can turn around. If you want to have a little fun with it. This is yellow. We go ahead back here. There you go. Lightning McQueen. That's it for today. I'm working on the new list for next week. I'll release that probably tonight. I have a special project that I'm going to post tonight. It's a little Easter project. And then we will see you next week. Like I said, I'll release those, the new videos. And if you have any suggestions or ideas or any projects that you want to do, or if you want to do rock painting, we could do rock painting live if we all do the same thing. So whatever you want to do, let me know, and I will see everybody on later tonight and Monday actually. All right, bye.